Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to look at some of the editing options that you have for images inside of your Google Doc. In my Google Doc here, I have a couple pictures that I wanted to showcase to you. And the first thing you need to do is to select it. Once you select that picture by clicking on it, you will open up some image options over on the right. If it doesn't automatically open for you, the button is right here, image options, and it'll get you back to the same place. Now, you've got some size and rotation, so you can manually fiddle with the size, the height, and the width, or the scale. You can downsize it to 80%, and it will just shrink it. But you can also grab those corners and do that manually and find the right fit for you. You can also lock the aspect ratio. So if you unlock it, that means that you can just do a side and it will get skinnier, but now your aspect ratio is going to be offset. So if you want to preserve that, just make sure that that stays locked. You can rotate it manually here too, or you can just grab this circle at the top of the picture and you'll be able to rotate it around manually. Control Z, my favorite button, my favorite shortcut in Google Docs, and put it back to how it was. The next one is text wrapping. So this will determine where your picture is with relation to the words, the type and the letter in their paragraphs. So if you have it in line with text, your picture, you can move it, but do you see the blue cursor that's following my cursor? Because I'm dragging this picture. I can drop it right in front of that word, and then you see the words go around the picture. Now, you can also wrap the text, which is really great because what that does is wherever you drag your picture, the text moves out of its way. So, and you can, it's like a freehand thing. You can put it wherever you want in your document and the text all works around out of the way. Now, some of them are not very good, but you can see this is becoming nice for me. And I can create that nice look with where the words are on the other side of that picture. You can break text. You can put it behind text, but you might not be able to see it. And see, now I can't get to it. And so in front of text, we'll place it right in front of the text so you won't be able to read your words. So wrap texting is definitely my favorite. And I like to put those pictures where I want them. You have some more image options up on your toolbar. Remember to select your picture. And then you have some editing tools up here. You have a border that you can insert. So right now there's no border. I can choose any of these colors and give it a border. I'm going to choose that pink color, and you see it just gives it a little border around. Now, if it's not thick enough, you want it to be more visible, you can increase the weight here, but be careful with this because this increases very rapidly. So you can see the difference between 4 and 8 is quite a bit. All right, and then you also have solid line, dashed, or dotted that you can choose from. So you have a little bit of flexibility. And then you can also crop your pictures right here with the cropping tool. Now, if you've never used the cropping tool, you can grab it either by the sides or by a corner and just drag down this box and it will clip the picture to match the area that you have selected. And then once you're done, you just click off of it and it will save your cropping. You can also reset the image to how it was and where it was. All right, the next tool you have is the Recolor tool. Now, on a picture like this, I'm not really going to want to recolor it, but if you have clip art like this phone here, the recoloring tool can be cool. So right now, the clip art inserted here is pink, and I can click on that clip art and come down to the recolor, and I can see which colors. Let me close some of these things. I can see some of the colors that are available here. Now I'm zoomed in a little too far for my video. That's what my problem is. And my favorite color is purple, so I love everything purple. And I have 3 really nice shades of purple that I can recolor. So now you notice it's not perfect. The background also recolored to purple, where in the original, the back was black. So it's not the perfect tool, but it is a lot of fun. You can get that perfect shade of purple for you. All right. That is all, folks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.